Is it time to buy or sell SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 3rd of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 3rd day of April 2025, our system has identified the SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.51. Now, let's examine the performance of this ETF during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe its progression in the coming days. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 0.53% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 0.53% to 7.56%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 9.38%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 9.38% to 24.41% over the next year. In current terms, this places the future price somewhere between $29.24 and $33.26. Our latest daily update for SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF includes the headline, SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF downgraded to sell candidate. The SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF price fell by 4.09% on the last day, Thursday, the 3rd of April, 2025, from $27.87 to $26.73. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 2.86%, ranging from a low of $26.71 to a high of $27.47. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 4.36% over this period. Volume increased on the last day by 18 million shares, albeit with falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 29 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $788,470,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $29.72, while the lowest price was $25.18. Currently, the price stands 10.06%, or $2.99, below the 52-week high, and 67.3%, or $55.01, below the all-time high reached on the 14th of January, 2022, when the price hit $81.74. The SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, or SCHD, has recently captured investor attention as a smart alternative amidst current market volatility. Notably, the ETF has outperformed both the Nasdaq 100 and the S&P 500 this year, showcasing its resilience with a year-to-date return of over 3%. This is largely due to its lower exposure to the tech sector, which has faced significant pullbacks as concerns grow about a potential artificial intelligence bubble burst. As of April 2025, SCHD maintains a solid dividend yield of 3.7%, appealing to income investors seeking reliable returns. The ETF is strategically rebalanced to prioritize sectors like energy and consumer staples, reflecting a proactive approach to economic shifts, including rising unemployment and tariff policies. This sector focus bodes well for SCHD in uncertain times, as these industries typically provide stability. In the short term, renewed interest in dividend-paying equities could drive SCHD's stock price higher as investors seek shelter from more volatile growth stocks. Long-term, its historical track of consistent dividend growth, combined with rigorous selection criteria, positions it as a compelling choice for building a diversified portfolio. With a robust average dividend growth rate and low expense ratio, SCHD seems well-equipped to deliver both income and potential capital appreciation for years to come. The following signals have been identified for the SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near-term development. The SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic forecast for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general sell signal arising from the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $27.65 and $27.95. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, February 28, 2025, and so far it has declined by 6.34%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. The volume increased in conjunction with falling prices yesterday, serving as an early warning, suggesting that the ETF should be monitored more closely. The ETF experienced a golden star signal on Wednesday, July 10, 2024, in the long-term chart. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line converge in a specific combination. This occurrence is quite rare and is often followed by significant and sustained gains for the ETF in question. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 25 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 18 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 66 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's examine the support, risk, and stop loss for the SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity Exchange-Traded Fund. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under the right conditions, this exchange-traded fund may experience significant challenges in the coming days. Generally, this fund demonstrates controlled movements, and its good liquidity keeps the associated risk relatively low. Over the past day, the fund fluctuated by $0.765 between its highest and lowest points, which equates to 2.86%. In the past week, the average daily volatility has been 1.63%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF is at $27.87. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could be a point worth considering for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below this level, indicating that the ETF may potentially experience a sharp decline under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. We have received a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been established. Is SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF a good buy? SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity holds several negative signals and is within a falling trend, suggesting that it may continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative evaluation of this ETF. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis from a hold accumulate to a sell recommendation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, April 4th, we anticipate that SCHWAB U.S. Dividend Equity ETF will open higher by 238/10,000 and begin trading at $26.97. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.